Hello loves, I know you guys love my Costco hauls, so my mom and I are currently at Costco. So as soon as I get home, you guys know I will be sharing with you guys what I got. So I'll see you guys when I get home. So we're getting ready to check out, but I had to do a full Costco run because Sawyer's mom just got here and is staying with us till the holidays. So we needed a lot more food, so all stocked up. Okay, so we are back from Costco and you guys know the drill. I'm just gonna go through everything that I got and share with you guys because I love seeing what people get at Costco, and obviously you guys do too because, well, you guys watch these videos. So without further ado, let me show you guys what I got from Costco. So right in front of me, I have just a few random items that are not in bags. So I have these beautiful, stunning white roses. And I don't normally get roses because the main area of our house isn't air conditioned and they always wilt really fast and die, so it's really hard to keep them alive, but they're one of my favorite flowers, like white roses. But the reason why I got it is tomorrow we are getting our house air conditioned, and so I thought it'd be a perfect little treat to get white roses and display them in the kitchen, so I'm very excited. So anyways, got white roses. I split a bag of avocados with my mama, and in the pre-made section, I grabbed some street tacos. Sawyer's mom is actually in town through the holidays, so I grabbed a lot more food this time, as well as a lot of items that are easy and accessible to feed more people. So you will see more of that this time. So let me get these out of the way. We'll grab a bag and continue this Costco haul. Okay, next we have some cold items. I always like to do the cold items first because I have to get them in the fridge, obviously. So I split this new kind of lettuce that I've actually never tried before. I think it's called like sweet greens. It's like, looks like little baby romaine heads. So we thought we would try it. So I split one with my mom to try. They were just so cute. So we grabbed those, and then I grabbed some green bell peppers and split that with my mom because I can never go through them fast enough. Ooh, one of our favorite things during the holidays, well, year round, but when I have family or friends in town, I love doing cheese plates, like a little happy hour. So I grabbed a few different types of cheese. I grabbed the Cabot Vintage White Extra Sharp Cheddar Cheese, along with the Manchego. Anyways, got this cheese. It's the Kirkland brand. And then, I'm not a big goat cheese fan, but it looked really good. So this is by Celebrity, and it's a cranberry cinnamon goat milk cheese. I just felt like this sounded like the holidays. I thought it'd be really good just to try and have an option on cheese plate. And then the Boursin cheeses were actually on sale at Costco, which is exciting. And I put this on the cheese plate the other night and it was a total hit, so I grabbed more to have backup. Then I grabbed some little cucumbers for salads. You guys know I get this every time, the quinoa salad, and it's just so good to add chicken on top or whatever like leftover meat we have, steak, chicken. I'll just throw it in for lunch and it works perfect. And then I grabbed some cherry tomatoes. I do not like tomatoes at all, but Sawyer's mom is a big fan, so I grabbed these for her. And that is it in this bag. Okay, oh my gosh. Oh. Whew. We have another bag of frozen or at least cold items. So first in here, ooh, this bag is loud, we have a bag of bell peppers. Sawyer's mom loves bell peppers and I love to cook with bell peppers, but she puts them in her salad, so I did not split the bag with my mom this time. I kept the whole bag since we'll actually go through it. I grabbed a rack of lamb to cook for dinner. I grabbed some filet mignons. Now a little trick I do with the fillets, because they cut them pretty thick, so I actually cut them in half, freeze half of them, and then cook half, and then I have basically another set of steaks to cook. So yeah, by cutting them in half, you get the benefit of a filet mignon, and it's not so thick, which I personally like. That's a little trick when buying filet mignons. I grabbed some lunch meat. I grabbed some ham. This is the ham that I love. I've talked about it before. It's the Kirkland Uncured Black Forest ham. It's my favorite. I use it in quiches. And then I grabbed the Columbus Herbed Roasted Turkey Breast. This is also one of my favorites for lunch meats. I just like that these actually feel like meat. They don't feel like lunch meat. you know what I mean. So those are my two favorite. Then I grabbed some Columbus Italian dry salami for our cheese plate. I grabbed some prosciutto. This is also good for cheese plates. Or I use this when I grill asparagus and then wrap the asparagus in the prosciutto and put a little balsamic glaze on it. Very, very, very good. Then I grabbed some of the Adele's chicken and apple sausage. I just felt like this was easy to have on hand. I can throw them in with like a rice dish or just cook them for a quick lunch. Super simple and healthy option. And then I grabbed a turkey and spinach lasagna. I actually haven't gotten this in a while because I kind of overdid it. We liked it so much, so we ate it so frequent that we got so sick of it. So I grabbed it again so we could cook it with Sawyer's mom. I feel like she would like that. Then we have some cauliflower pizza. This is my favorite cauliflower. I always dress it up by adding like some prosciutto, some salami, add a little bit of seasoning on there. And then I have a few pre-made items to make my life easier. So we have the meatloaf with potatoes, always a hit in our house. And of course, the infamous stuffed bell peppers that I always get. That should be most of the cold items. Give me 1 second. Heavy, so I'm gonna leave it where it is. So going along with the cheese plate obsession that we have going, I grabbed this pack of entertainment crackers. It's a little bit of everything, so with as many people that we'll have around the holidays, I just thought it'd be good, so I grabbed this cracker set. Organic everything crackers, they're gluten-free, they're by R.W. Garcia. I'm pretty sure I have like the sweet potato little chips by them. They're really good, so I'm hoping these will be good as a gluten-free option to have on the cheese plate or just use with dips or whatever. So we'll see how these taste, but it says a delicious blend of corn, seeds, garlic, and onion. Get out of that bag. Then for easy food to have on hand for Sawyer, I grabbed these pre-made raw stuffed chicken breasts. They are cordon bleus and Sawyer loves cordon bleus, so I thought that'd be an easy thing to have. I grabbed a new box of butter. I figured with the season that we are in, heading into the holidays, fall, I'll probably start baking as well as, dishes obviously call for butter around Thanksgiving, so I just figured I'd grab it, have it on hand. I know I have butter. And I'm very particular with my butter. I know that sounds really funny, but this is one of the best butters that you can get. It is the healthiest for you. I'm not saying butter is healthy. I am saying that the types of fats that this butter has, it is the best for you. So I know it's a little pricier like at a normal grocery store, but when I can get it in bulk at Costco, I prefer to do so. So this is the butter that I use at the house. And yeah. Oh man, I grabbed the wrong one. Oh well, it'll get eaten. All right, then I grabbed some spinach, artichoke, and Parmesan dip just to have for snacks. And then some bags of chicken. I like having tenderloins as well as breasts because depending on what I'm cooking or how fast I need it to thaw, the tenderloins are nice for quick, easy meals. They defrost really, really quick. And then I have the breast on hand for when I'm doing bigger dishes or like slow cookers, like when I'm using my crock pot, I'll use the breasts. So I just have both on hand. Yeah, I really like the Kirkland brand because it's individually wrapped and it's a favorite at my house. So yeah, this is the chicken that I get. And now this bag is empty. Yay. Okay, then the last bag of stuff is who knows what. Oh, I grabbed a new box of baby wipes. I just love having wipes around. So stocked up on some wipes. Then in the last bag, I grabbed some more sourdough. If they have the sourdough at your Costco, it is so good. I'm a big fan of sourdough and this one tastes amazing. And I just keep the second loaf in the freezer and then I have backups of sourdough. Then I grabbed some romaine. We're big fans of salad here. And since I'll probably be doing some baking here soon, I grabbed some more vanilla. And then one of Sawyer's favorite thing is gummy vitamins, and he loves anything that's like orange flavored. So they had these adult gummies, vitamin C, and they're little oranges. So I know these will be a hit here as well. Then I grabbed some more, I'm like out of breath. Sorry, I'm trying to like move fast so I get things in the fridge and I'm like, okay. Catching my breath. Okay, then we grabbed some more creamer. I like to get it at Costco because it's a lot more price friendly. We go through a lot of creamer here. A few last items here. I grabbed some more lighters. This package of 4 is way cheaper than buying them singly at like the single biters at Target. So grab those. And then these are really cool. So these are silicone baking mats. I've seen people use these before. I just had never ordered them, but I always wrap our pans in foil, which isn't great because it's using foil and it's like single use. So when I saw these, I was like, oh, this is perfect because you can use them for our baking sheets. And then these small ones work in the toaster oven, which is genius. So whenever we're cooking something quick or small, I'll use the toaster oven, and this size will fit on our little pan, which is perfect. So I am going to try out these silicone baking mats and I will let you know. But yeah, those are at Costco right now. So if you're looking for something like that, I think this set of 4 was only $14, which seemed pretty reasonable. All right, and then the last item I grabbed are these 2 new tumblers, like water bottles. I like them because you can use them as like, you can drink from the top, you can use the straw. I like to keep reusable bottles on hand for guests. And when Karen, Sawyer's mom, got here, I tried to hand her a water bottle and I couldn't find a lid. I just wasn't happy with our like guest water bottle situation. I know that sounds funny, but here in Hawaii, we don't use plastic bottles. You use a reusable water bottle. That's a tongue twister. So I grabbed some new ones and I'm gonna start phasing out the old water bottles. But that, my friends, concludes everything I got at Costco. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Had a lot of fun. I was stocking up and getting a lot of random things. Yeah. Oh, I know you guys ask sometimes what my Costco runs cost. It varies. I can never get out of Costco for like under $200. It just doesn't happen. But this Costco run, because I was doing like a full restock, I was getting a lot of meats and a lot of things to have on hand since we will have like my mom over and family and Karen's here. So this Costco run was $520. I know that sounds crazy, but we get so much at Costco and I love how long it lasts us. I only go about every 3 weeks. So that's not bad for a big grocery run. So anyways, that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed another Costco haul. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already. I talk about fashion, beauty, and I share our lives here in Hawaii. I've pretty much been vlogging almost every week, if not a few times a week. So be sure to subscribe if you have not done so. I would love to have you. But that is it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.